Okay, so now let's talk about some searching algorithms. There's so many different types of algorithms that we can use to perform searches, but there are two main classes of searching algorithms. And those two main classes are depth first search and breadth first search. And the main difference is that with breadth first search, we're searching horizontally, level by level by level. And with depth first search, it's more of a vertical search with some type of backtracking. So enough talking, let me actually show you what exactly I mean. So suppose we have this tree structure over here. Imagine this is an upside down tree. So these are the branches, these connections right here, these are all branches. So each item or node is connected to one or two other nodes. And suppose we're looking for this specific node right here. There are two main ways that we can go about searching for this specific node. The first way, with breadth first search, we're going to go level by level. So suppose this node right here is level 1. These two right here is level 2. Everything here is on level 3. Everything here is on level 4. And these last two here are on level 5. We'll first start our search at this first root node here. The item that we're looking for doesn't exist there. So now we're going to check the items connected to this root node. First, we'll check the left. Doesn't exist there. So now we'll check the right over here. That item doesn't exist. So we finished checking level 1 and level 2. So now we're going to check all the connections to level 3. First, we'll start by looking at this item over here. It doesn't match what we're looking for. So now we're going to go to this node and check the connections for this node. The left side doesn't match what we're looking for, and the right side doesn't match what we're looking for. And now we're going to check the next level here, which is level 4. So since this node has no connections, we're going to go to this node to check the connections. And first, on the left side, doesn't match what we're looking for. But finally, on the right side over here, we found exactly what we're looking for. We're going level by level to find an item. Okay, so let me show you another example, okay? Here, I'm going to be using letters to basically represent each individual node, okay? And suppose I'm looking for the letter F here. So with breadth first search, first I check A. It doesn't match what I'm looking for. So now I'm going to the left side. I check B. That doesn't match what I'm looking for. So now I go to the right side. I check C. Doesn't match what I'm looking for. So the next level, I'm checking D. Doesn't match what I'm looking for. So now I'm checking the next connection here, which is going to be E. That doesn't match what I'm looking for. So now I'm checking the next connection to this, which would be F. And then I finally find what I'm looking for right here. And this is basically what we call level order traversal. This seems quite straightforward. You're basically checking each level, and at each level you're going from left to right, visiting each node until you find what you're looking for.